Ugh. It's that time of day again. Time to get up and make someone else rich. Hi there, and welcome to the Build Your Wealth podcast. I'm your host, Nicole Thompson. Over the years, I've taken the skills I've learned as a dedicated employee in multiple fields and turned it into a thriving six-figure online business to create a wealth of my own. Now I'm here to teach you how to do the same thing. I share my successes and failures as an online business owner with you to help you avoid the pitfalls that can come with being an entrepreneur in the online space. It's my goal to help you achieve your success faster, adopt the right mindset for that success, and to show you how failing forward is all part of the process in building your wealth instead of someone else's. This is the Build Your Wealth podcast. As an independent business owner, do you sometimes feel like you spend more of your time chasing squirrels than you actually do getting stuff done? Hi, my name's Nicole Thompson. I'm an online business coach, and I teach new entrepreneurs how to develop and build more successful e-commerce businesses. Dealing with distractions is probably one of the biggest challenges you will face as an independent business owner. Keeping focus when you have so many things that you want to get done during the course of the day can sometimes feel impossible. You have emails chiming and social media notifications going off and the phone's ringing. And these are all huge attention stealers. Not to mention, I'm going to guess that you've probably got about 1 million grand ideas racing around your head at all times, right? So I've put together a list of the top 3 things that I've found to be the most helpful to keep me focused during the course of the day. The first one is meditation. Now, before you click away, hear me out. Starting your day, getting centered and focused can mean all the difference between productive and scatterbrained. And you don't need a lot of time here. You only need about 10 or 15 minutes. And your biggest challenge is going to be patience. So if you're anything like me with an overactive mind, set a timer, because I promise you, you will be checking that clock every 2 minutes to see if you're done yet until you get more comfortable with the practice of meditation. Number 2 is get moving. Go for a walk. Do some yoga or a HIIT workout or take a spin class. Whatever gets your juices flowing, because our bodies were meant to move. So even if you don't feel like doing that workout, I promise you, you will feel so much better, more productive, and focused once you're done. And you only need, again, about 20 or 30 minutes to really get the full benefit of getting moving. Now, I saved the best for last. Number 3 is journaling. This one is huge and totally key. After you do your meditation, after you do your workout, sit down in a quiet space with no distractions, a pen and a piece of paper, and just start writing. Unleash all those creative ideas that are racing around in your head, all those wonderful, brilliant ideas that you can't quite grasp when you're in the moment. Just write them all down in no particular order. Get everything out. Once you feel like you've got all those ideas safely on paper, then go back and prioritize them. Go through the list and see what of those things needs to be done immediately and what can either be put off until later or maybe even outsourced to someone else. What things on your list can only be done by you? And what things can you maybe hand the reins over to someone else on? See, once everything's safely down on paper, you don't have to keep track of every fleeting thought that comes through your mind. And your brain is able to then focus more on what you actually need to get done. Then don't be surprised when you start knocking out goals like crazy. Now, for an even more in-depth look at how you can gain more focus and really start crushing your goals, check out the free PDF report that I created for you. It's at firedupfocus.com. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you again soon. You've been listening to the Build Your Wealth podcast. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Make sure you don't miss an episode by subscribing to the show. I've included any links to specifics mentioned in the show notes section below so you can easily grab them there. I hope you'll consider leaving a review for me and let me know what you thought about the show. And if it helped you or resonated with you in some way, I'd love to hear about that too. Thanks again, and I'll see you over on the next episode. To your success.